Yo, what's up, YouTube? This is Mondo here. Um, I'm just gonna have my desk set up video today. So yeah, I'll start off over here. This is my clock with my phone. It's like a charger. Let's just put stickers here. More stickers, a little thing. Here's where all my markers are. Like extra markers, my Elmers, pencils, eraser, my it's like cutting board. I use this side. More stickers, the dry ice ones. If you don't know what they are, it's like these. My UPS stickers, USPS stickers. Stickers that I'm gonna put like somewhere. Narrow and eggs, and then there's black and white stickers right here. This is what I mostly use for my outline. Is the black broad tip, medium point. Yeah. Collab with Chaos right there. Extra markers that my mom bought for like 2 cents like each. Extra markers. I didn't even cut this open yet. Yeah. I'll show you what I got in there. Excuse me. Yeah, so it's just like Crayolas. I'm going to like these 2 big Sharpies. Crayolas. I think Sharpies I got at the bottom. It's a bunch of crap. Just extra markers I'll probably give away. So. Right here is my computer. The earbuds and just extra stickers in there. I'm gonna give these away to my friend Jay back. Another stack of the 228s. Here's just envelopes that I traded with, collabs and stuff. Under the collabs I got like stickers and stuff. Up here is canvases, paints, spray paint. Up here is like crap, like comic books, extra paint. This thing. I got my knives and this lighter. I don't know what that's for. My canvases up here. Yeah. Trash can with a billion different people stickers. I got like Avion. Well, not a billion, just a couple people I just traded with. Reyes. I know his name. I forget. But I got that in a pack. Bomb of Science. Robots Will Kill. Reyes again. Reyes. I got Kona down in Wildwood that tried the green stickers. Illspot. Me. Illspot. Reyes again. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Down here, I just got 2 rolls of the mini labels. Down here is a box of the UPS ones, the UPS thermals. I'm giving a lot of those out in packs and stuff. My travel box. Drawers, my junk drawer. People stickers, trades, some of mine. This is just drawing crap, sketchbooks and stuff, like blank labels that my dad got. Oh, there it is. It's my sketchbook. I didn't even look in this. Books. So yeah, I also got a Chamber. He sent him money and he bought one of my things. Yours be something out pretty soon. That's ready for you. A blank board. So yeah, I'm gonna get on that. That's pretty much it. So yeah, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. The winner of the giveaway, if you didn't get a chance to enter, it was Rich Stay longboarding something. Yeah, he won. He wins the 20 stickers and 10 collabs, so like a regular pack from me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my desk. Take a yeah. I'm gonna do a little drawing thing of me drawing like from up here, I guess. But I don't have anyone to do it from. I don't have anyone to. How do you say? Do it like videotape. So yeah. As of right now, I'm still waiting on Vaynez, Lavitron, and LT's pack to come in. Then I'll do little sticker pack videos on those. Yeah. So peace on the streets. See ya.